Hi folks, Marty here, and this week we're going to take a look at the song The Rattlin Bog. I'm only going to do a bit of the song, the chorus and some of the verses, just to give you an idea how it goes. If you want the full song, just have a look at the chord and lyric sheet and it'll give you an idea. Okay, so here we go. Ho, ho, the rattling bog, bog down in the valley, oh, rare bog, the rattling bog, the bog down in the valley, oh. Well, in the bog there was a hole, a rare hole, a rattling hole, a hole in the bog, and the bog down in the valley, oh. Ho, ho, the rattling bog, the bog down in the valley, oh, rare bog, the rattling bog, the bog down in the valley, oh. Well, in the hole there was a tree, a rare tree, a rattling tree, a tree in the hole, in the hole, in the bog down in the valley, oh. Ho, ho, the rattling bog, the bog down in the valley, oh, rare bog, the rattling bog, the bog down in the valley, oh. On that tree there was a limb, a rare limb, a rattling limb, a limb on the tree, and the tree, and the hole, and the hole, and the bog down in the valley, oh. Ho, ho, the rattling bog, bog down in the valley, oh, rare bog, the rattling bog, the bog down in the valley, oh. On that tree there was a branch, a rare branch, a rattling branch, a branch on the limb, and the limb on the tree, and the tree, and the hole, and the hole, and the bog down in the valley, oh. Ho, ho, the rattling bog, bog down in the valley, oh, rare bog, the rattling bog, the bog down in the valley, oh. So there you go, folks. Just a few of the verses just to get you going. So come back in the next section and we'll break down the chords and the strum pattern for that. Okay, so chords for this are F, and then your B flat, and then your C. And the strum pattern is down, down, up, down. Down, down, up, down, down. Okay, and that's the Hawaiian strum pattern part 2 that you'll find in our strum pattern video. So have a look at that for more details and a better breakdown of that. But I will do it a little bit slower for you here. So it's down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down. A wee bit slower again. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down. Okay, so have a wee go at that strum pattern with those chords and come back to the next section where we'll play it all through. Well, a few verses anyway, but we'll do it a bit slower for you. Okay, so a bit slower. Ho, ho, the rattling bog, the bog down in the valley, oh, rare bog, the rattling bog, the bog down in the valley, oh. Well, in the bog there was a hole, a rare hole, a rattling hole, a hole in the bog, and the bog down in the valley, oh. Ho, ho, the rattling bog, the bog down in the valley, oh, rare bog, the rattling bog, the bog down in the valley, oh. On that tree there was a limb, a rare limb, a rattling limb, a limb on the tree, and the tree, and the hole, and the hole, and the bog down in the valley, oh. Ho, ho, the rattling bog, the bog down in the valley, oh, rare bog, the rattling bog, the bog down in the valley, oh. Okay, that's it, just a wee bit slower than part 1. So give that a wee go and come back to part 1, and if you're feeling a bit adventurous, try the whole song and see how you get on with that. So we'll do that, and I'll see you next week. And remember, keep strumming and keep her lit. Oh, oh, the rattling bog, bog down in... Are you eating my plants, Bunny? Don't eat my... No, you can't eat the plants. We're singing the Rattlin Bog, Bunny.